Yes, welcome to the another question, which is very, very important. And actually, you're supposed to know how we can deal with these important materials. There, you're told there are two resistors, 15 ohms and 5 ohms are connected in parallel across almost 37.5 volts supply. Find the total resistance, total current, as well as current in each resistor. So, this question solution that are given solution data given, we have given resistor 1 which is almost 15 ohms, and also have given resistor 2 which is almost 5 ohms. We have given voltage which is 37.5 volts. What is required in total resistance in parallel and the such kind of current. Now we will call the total resistance in parallel is equal to R1 times R2 over R1 plus R2. So total resistance, it will be equal to 15 times 5 over 15 plus 5. So it will be total resistance is equal to almost 75 over 20. So finally, you can get total resistance is equal to almost 3.75 3.75, or that is how you can get the total resistance. So total resistance already covered. Then total current. To get the total current, we call the Ohm's law. From Ohm's law, we know current is equal to V over R. So I is equal to almost 37.5 divided by 3.75 volts to ohms. So you may see there you can get almost you can get almost you can get almost you can get almost there the current is almost 10 ampere. So you can get 10 ampere. So this is a current, total current. So to get the current in each resistor, it is very simple. It is very simple because you go to the specific uh, you go to those specific materials. So in resistor R, in the R1 is equal to 15 ohms. You say current is equal to V over R. So I is equal to almost 37.5 divided by 15 ohms. So you can get the current is almost mathematically there is equal to almost 2 2.5 ampere. Then in R2 is equal to 5 ohms. So you may see there I is equal to V over R. So I is equal to almost 37.5 volts divided by R, which is 5 ohms. So current you can get almost is equal to 7.5 ampere. So this is how we can do a very, very interesting concept in that way, like that. So this is how we can do this very, very interesting materials. What is very, very important is to call the formula when resistors are connected in parallel. It is given a product over sum. So we see there is equal to 5 times 15 times 5 over 15 plus 5. Finally, you can get the total resistance is equal to 3.77 ohms. So we know the Ohm's law said that current is equal to voltage over resistance. So we take the total voltage, which is 37.5 volts over 3.75 ohms. So finally, you can get your ohms. Current is equal to 10 amperes. So that is the total total current. And to get the current in each resistor, you know that I is equal to V over R. So it will be 37.5 divided by 15 ohms, get 2.5 ampere. Then if you have in other 5 ohms, you have I is equal to V over R is equal to 37.5 volts divided by 5. You can get 70.5 ampere. So this is how we can solve those important materials. Oh, thanks.